Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert an SD card to your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. For that you need your SD card and then you need to go ahead and find your SIM card slot, and that is down here. So we'll go ahead and open that and take that out. Here we have our SIM card and here we have a space for our SD card. So we'll put that in and then put both back in the phone. So now we need to unlock our SIM card, and if we go to our settings now and go to storage, we have this device and then our SD card. So you can now go ahead and save stuff on your SD card to just save some space on your device. So that's how you can insert an SD card to your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.